Number 3 goes to Love of My Life by Queen. If you already feel comfortable singing and want to explore more of your voice and range, start learning Queen songs. Freddie Mercury was a master of dynamic projection, lyrics, melody. Well, he's one of the best singers of all time. I hope we all agree on that. Love of My Life will teach you how to sing softly and vulnerably without, again, forcing your voice.
Love of my life, you've hurt me, you've broken my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me, because you